Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Odoo POS. Odoo POS Point of Sales is a part of the Odoo business suite that lets you manage in-store sales like a cash register but with more features. It's great for retail stores, cafes or restaurants. First, look into your Odoo dashboard. From the main screen, click on the Point of Sale app. If it's not already installed, you can install it by clicking on Apps and searching for Point of Sale. Once it's open, you'll see the option to create a new shop or session. Now click New Session to start selling. The POS screen will open, showing products you've already added in your system. If you don't see any products, go back to your inventory or product settings and add items with names, prices, and categories. To make a sale, just tap the product on the screen. It will appear on the cart on the right side. You can increase the quantity or remove items if needed. Once you're ready, tap on Payment. Select the payment method like cash or card and confirm. The system will analyze the sale and you can either print or skip the receipt. To close your shop or session at the end of the day, return to the main POS dashboard, click Close Session and review the sales summary. You can validate the session and keep a record of daily sales. Odoo POS also lets you manage customers, apply discounts, give refunds, and track inventory in real time. It works online and offline, and everything's synced when the internet is back. Overall, Odoo POS is simple once it's set up. It's flexible and a good choice if you want to manage your store sales along with the inventory accounting and customer data in one place. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.